Real quick video. If your headlights look like this is my kid's car, and he goes to college, and I never get a chance to take care of it. But he's here for Thanksgiving, so I am going to use this Turtle Wax headlight lens restoration. So it's real quick. I'm going to tape it off, I'm going to clean it, and then it's a 4-step process. So I'm just going to let the thing run. I'm going to start the timer here and just show you how quickly you can do this. We'll speed the thing up as needed, but you don't want to scratch your paint. So this tape is really good for cars. This is the 3M. It's the 06620 precision masking tape, but it's very forgiving for cars and for paint. You just don't want to scratch anything. I'm not too worried about this car. The paint has seen better days. Okay. Built hammer traceless. Any cleaner will do. Just make sure that you don't have any dirt sitting on here. This stuff is really good at cleaning and not leaving residue. I wouldn't get it on your plastics though, so wipe it off if you get any on there. Okay, first step. There's 4 different levels of sandpaper and a little spray lubricant that comes with it. So start with number 1. Coat your headlight with lubricant. And then go to town. And this will scratch your headlight a lot. All that white coming off of there is actually plastic. And be as aggressive as you want, especially with this one, because this is the roughest of all of them. Go in all directions, up and down, back and forth. Okay. Wipe that off. It's gonna get really foggy. It's not too bad. Get more lubricant. Go to number 2. Same thing. Okay, wipe. More lubricant. Number 3. Last one. Number 4, the purple one. I've used this kit once before on my car, so I think some of the sandpaper has gotten rubbed off, so maybe it's not quite as effective. But I just had this laying around in the garage, so I thought I'd give it a shot. It can't get any worse. Okay, so that's the last of the sandpaper. And then it comes with essentially a rubbing compound. So if you just take this, shake it up a little bit, and get like a foam applicator, put that on your foaming pad, and then be as aggressive as you can and get that polished. Okay. Hit that with a little traceless, get it clean. Now the kit comes with a UV protectant. It's a little like a moist towelette, but since I don't have that here, I am going to use a paper towel and a little bit of Geotechnic Exo, which is a coating that we usually use on paint, but I need to grab a paper towel. So I just want to put a little bit of protective coating on the plastic and try and make it a little clearer and protect it from the UV. So just put a little bit. Like I said, use the thing that comes with the 3M kit, because it does pretty much the same thing. Best I can tell, the moist towelette is coated in this same type of plastic coating, paint coating. Flip it over. Should probably use gloves because this stuff can be nasty. It's also very expensive. This, not the other stuff. That's it. Peel the tape off. Wipe this off of the car so it doesn't stain. Done. Total time, 9 minutes. So, you know, if you got a half an hour, you can do both headlights, and they're way better than they were. They're not new, but they're better than they were. There you go. 3M. It's good stuff.